Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, I'm here with John Clements, the Basement Doctor.
Hello, hello.
Hi. So we've been talking the last couple of weeks about leaky basements, flooded basements, and how we can kind of dispel some of those issues, but you can also waterproof crawl spaces and basements even during the winter.
Yes, we do it 365 days a year.
Okay.
Minus Christmas. It saddens me every year. Springtime will come, and I'll get that couple that calls me out. They go, "We've been living with this all winter," and their house stinks because they've had this gross, yucky basement all winter long, and the house is closed up.
Right.
Yucky. That's that technical term that we use.
Yucky term.
You know?
Yeah.
We do it 52 weeks out of the year because 99 times out of 100, most of the work we do is from the inside of your basement, not the outside. So it's very rarely do we bring a track hoe where we're excavating the outside of a foundation. That's usually a structural concern, not waterproofing. And there's no sense tolerating the property value loss, tolerating the smells, the sicknesses that come with it. Call us and have us out and let us take a look at it, and we'll address the situation the best we can right now rather than putting it off into the future.
Is a little bit of moisture normal in our area, or should it be absolutely dry?
Dry.
Okay.
Period. Dry. Humidity, yes, I get that, but you can run a dehumidifier to control it. Mm-hmm. But as far as a leaky basement, water penetrating the foundation, it's a bad thing. It needs to go away, and that's what we specialize in fixing.
So the moral of the story is today to not put it off and to give you a call, have you come out and check it out.
1-877 dry time.
Okay.
Yes, it's a free estimate.
Thanks, John. Thanks everyone for being here. We will see you next time.